So, okay, before the park closes, let's just give you one last look at Joker. Well, the park is closed, but before we get out of it. Yeah, so that green and purple building is going to be the control station, the main operating booth. We haven't seen it testing since I mentioned before when we were by Demon. But, yeah, it just looks cool. Of course, you know, as soon as we walk away, the guy's going to send it up. So it looks like, all right, they got 2 cars in the transfer back there, 3 on the track with water dummies. You know, hey guys, if you're ever short a couple water dummies, just, you know, you can throw me and my friends and we'll ride. We'll take all full responsibilities. So, yeah. Every time I hear that noise, I keep thinking like, oh, they're gonna test it. And we haven't seen it going. Lift chain's not going. We're always a little too far away. But it's cool. Can't wait to see how much is improved and fixed up by next week. Keep up the great work, guys, and we will have this S&S Marvel coming sooner than we can imagine. Hopefully. Yeah, I'd even be happy seeing a test from this half. I don't care. Oh well. Coming soon.